Royal Caribbean drink packages sound simple. You buy one and all drinks are included. But it's not that simple, and many cruisers have unanswered questions, which are made even worse by confusing policies that keep changing. Today, I'm answering 23 top questions, sharing insider tips that seasoned cruisers rely on to get the most value from the drink package, and a few secrets the cruise line won't tell you. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical cruising tips. Also, if you have any other drink package tips to share, leave them in the comments below to help others. So first question is, what is included with the drink packages? I'm going to put this up really quickly and you can see the different package contents. Feel free to pause the video as you need, but basically you have a choice between the fully alcoholic package that includes most things, except for the few things that we're about to discuss, the package that has your refreshments such as non-alcoholic drinks and cocktails and mocktails, and the soda package. Number 2, does the deluxe package include all types of wine and cocktail? Well, the package covers most wines and cocktails by the glass up to the pricing limit, which is currently at $14. It's important to note that the availability of specific wines will vary by venue. And in some, they may only have one type of each wine available by the glass, and the rest only come as a full bottle. So just because there are 5 different types of Merlot listed on the wine menu, it doesn't mean that you can order them all, because you only can order the ones that are sold by the glass. Next question is, what premium spirits are included in the deluxe drink packages? And I will put this up here, so feel free to pause it again to see all the brands that they currently offer on board. Next question is, what if I order a drink over the included price limit? Well, unlike some other cruise lines that don't let you order more expensive drinks, on Royal, you can pay the difference if your drink's cost is more than the package maximum allowance. So for example, if your drink costs $16, you just pay the $2 difference. Next question is, can you share a drink package? It would be great if you could, but no sharing is allowed, and each guest in a cabin over 21 needs to pay for their own package if one person purchases in the cabin. Now that brings up the next question, what if my travel companion doesn't drink alcohol? Well, now in that case, you can call the customer service to request an exemption. And sometimes they will grant it and other times not so much, but if they do grant it, you will have to buy the non-alcoholic refreshment package for the second person. So what about cabins with kids or teens? Are they required to buy the soda or refreshment package if an adult has a deluxe package? And thankfully the answer is no. The requirement to buy the second package is only for the adults in a cabin. Is gratuity included in the drink package price? Yes. There's an 18% service fee that is added when you're buying the package, so you can tip extra for exceptional service if you want to, and it's encouraged, but you don't have to because it does charge you for the gratuities. Can you use your drink package at Windjammer and main dining room? Yes, absolutely. In Windjammer, you can order drinks from the bar, if there is a bar in it, or from a waiter in Windjammer. Now, in main dining room, you can also order drinks from the dining room waiters, and that goes for any meal, whether you're eating breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Does the package work at specialty restaurants? Yes. All specialty restaurants allow you to use your package to order the drinks. So whether it's Sabor, Jamie's Italian, Wonderland, doesn't matter, you can use the drink package in all of them. What's a lesser known tip is that many of them have unique exclusive cocktails and you can still try them with your package. So how many drinks are required to justify the cost of the package? Well, the average pricing is beer is $6 to $7, wine $9 to $14, cocktails are anywhere from $10 to $15, coffees is $3 to $6, and soda around $3 or so. So think about what are you going to drink throughout the day, add that up and see if it makes sense to buy the package. Next question is, are shots included in the deluxe package? And yes, shots are included up to the price limit. And by the way, most shots are cheaper than the mixed-in cocktails. So here is a huge savings tip. If you like to drink some alcoholic and some non-alcoholic drinks, you will save a ton of money if you buy the refreshment package to cover all your non-alcoholic drinks, coffees, and so on, and then buy a few shots here and there to spike your virgin cocktails. Can you bring drinks back to your cabin? Yes, you can buy drinks at any bar, main dining room, or specialty restaurant and take them back to your cabin to drink on your balcony or put it in your refrigerator for later. Is there a limit on how many drinks can you order per day with the package? No, Royal Caribbean does not have a set limit, as of right now at least, on the number of drinks per day, but you can only order one drink at a time. So the next question is usually, well, is there a waiting period between drinks? And currently there's no official waiting period, but some bartenders may enforce a brief wait between orders, typically to prevent sharing. Can you order a drink and a bottle of water at the same time? Yes, that is the only exception to the rule of getting one drink at a time. In fact, we recommend doing this every time you order the drink and then stocking up water in your cabin for late nights or excursions. Next question is, are milkshakes from Johnny Rockets included in the refreshment or deluxe packages? And yes, milkshakes at Johnny Rockets are included in both of those. So whether you buy the alcoholic or non-alcoholic package, you can enjoy those Johnny Rockets milkshakes. But the next question always comes up, well, what about the Starbucks coffee? And no, the Starbucks drinks are not included, not even with the very expensive deluxe package. However, specialty coffees at other onboard venues are covered, including the coffee shop or those spiked coffees in the specialty dining restaurants. So what else does the package not include? The two things to keep in mind are minibar bottles that are pre-stocked in your cabin, and room service orders are not included, and those two often result in unexpected charges. What kind of non-alcoholic cocktails are included in the refreshment and deluxe packages? Well, most non-alcoholic cocktails like mocktails, frozen drinks, and specialty sodas are included, but also energy drinks, Vitality spas, smoothies, and protein shakes, and fresh squeezed juices, if they're available on board, are included with both packages. Does the drink package work on Royal Caribbean's private islands? Yes, both Coco Cay and Labadee honor the drink packages, so it makes it really convenient. You can just go off the ship, all you need is your SeaPass card, you can order anything you want, and you don't have to carry cash around to drink in port. Does the drink package include canned soda or only fountain drinks? Well, most drink packages cover fountain sodas, but canned sodas may be available at some bars and venues. And what happens if I lose my souvenir cup for the soda package? Well, if you lose your cup, you may be able to purchase a replacement on board. Most of the times, Royal Caribbean will go out of their way to make sure you're happy, but just try not to lose it just in case they have to charge you for it. So all these questions will help you maximize the value of the drink package. But if you would like to know how to save money when buying it, then watch this video next.